everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig and I am really excited to bring you this great new product for Paper Wishes today. It's called Rhynia foiled papers. They are amazing. They come in all these different colors: frosted, metallics, jolly, peacock, and pastels. I'm going to show you how to use them all today. What's great about these is each pack comes with 12 sheets, and I'm not going to take the time to show you each and every color combination completely. You can click on the product page for each color and it gives you a great visual of what each color is. But what is really neat is that they're double-sided and they come with two different finishes. So this first one is called, what is this called? Starstruck. So the Starstruck finish has this little star finish on it, and it's almost got a little bit of a texture to it. It's almost like a, I don't know, a linen texture. I'm not sure what you would call that. But then it's also got a glossy finish. Here we go. There's silver and beautiful blue, and I think there's also sort of a teal color in this pack too. Yes, there's a beautiful teal. But what's great is on the back, they're foiled with gold. And this is actual foil. I mean, it's pretty sturdy stuff. It's great for, you can tear it, you can shape it, you can emboss on it, you can sand it. And even though we're not showing you today, you can also stamp on it. We're gonna save that for another video. All right, so let me show you what you can do with this great stuff. Here is a card I made, and I used the metallic set with this one. As you can see here, I used an embossing folder for the gold, and this is from Hot Off the Press. This is Diamond Dots embossing folder. And then I also used this really delicate border here using a cutting die. This is Lacy Ribbon 7-inch cutting die from Card Making Magic. That was fun to use. And then I also used a wonderful set of, golly, did I not bring it, of flowers and beautiful leaves as well. And I'm still looking around here as I talk and I don't see it. Okay, so anyway, let me show you the leaves here that I die cut. So went ahead and ran that through my die cutting machine, and then you just pull that right off. This. And because this wonderful stuff holds its shape so well, you can even do a little bit of dry embossing using your toolkit. So here I've got this wonderful toolkit from Elizabeth Craft. Let me finish getting this off. I'm just getting too excited here. Okay, here is part of my leaves. There we go. And I've got my Elizabeth Craft toolkit with my stylus, and I like to use the big end. So what I'm going to do is turn it over. I want to use the copper side, so I'm going to turn it over to the gold side, and you just do a little stir there. There we go. You're just stirring that around a little bit, and that's just curling those edges up. Curl that flower, and it's giving that dimension, which is wonderful. There we go. Isn't that pretty? And then let me show you how I did the flowers. The flowers are die cut shapes as well. And I'll have this on the supply list, what this particular cutting die is called. It's also from Card Making Magic, and I cannot believe I didn't bring it with me. All right, so here's all the little die cut shapes, little flowers. And what you do is you take the first one and you're just going to do it on the Starstruck side with the gold, and then I just did a little bit of a curl on each end. I just used my fingers. You don't have to use another tool. And then I did the same on this one, gluing these little edges together like this. Okay, and then you're just going to take a little dot of glue. I've got my Cosmic Shimmer glue. Oh great, my glue is stuck together, so I have to use my thing is clogged. Here we go. Don't forget to always have a little paper clip available. There we go. A little dot is all we need. And then you're just offsetting the petals and gluing that like that to connect it. And that's how I just made those beautiful little flowers, and I just layered them together. All right, let's move on. We'll show you some other great things. A beautiful snowflake ornament. And she used from hot off the press the easy pleated snowflakes for this, and did a little bit of inking on it. And then first she traced that. Let me just use the purple here. So assuming this was the color she used, you place the template right over that and you trace that. It has full instructions here, and you trace this twice. So you would go and do it one time and then connect the edges and twice trace it again. And then she just made and used her bone folder to, after she cut that out, to make some really nice sharp creases, and then followed the instructions for folding. So delicate and beautiful. So let me also show you, there's this wonderful cutting tool. This is a die cutting tool also from Rania, and they made these beautiful ornaments. Look at that. So gorgeous. This one uses the Joy variety pack, which is perfect for Christmas. Or excuse me, it's Jolly, not Joy. Perfect for Christmas. Look at the dimension for that. And it's just so beautiful. And I want to show you how to put these together. Debbie made one as well. Here we go, using the Frosted variety pack. Beautiful, beautiful. And these are really easy to make. What I love is on the back, they give you step-by-step directions. Each one of these cutting dies are labeled 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so it shows you how many to cut. It shows you all you're going to need is your die cutting machine to cut out the pieces. But then you're going to use just a regular sharpened pencil to do the rolling. And let me show you here how we did this. So I've got my 3 sizes of pieces here. Okay, and well, I'll just use this one. And it even shows you, so you're going to put this face up, it even shows you the correct way to roll, the positioning of the pencil, which I thought was great. I just learned how to make this today because Debbie made these, and I came into work today and she'd already made the ornament. I said, okay, quick, show me how to make these, okay? So that's how easy they are, and then how spectacularly they look. So you're just putting your pencil in, following the guide here. And Debbie gave me this great tip where you want your pencil point to be down, not sticking out the top of the roll, but down inside the roll. It gives you a pointier roll. So then she just rolled it right up. Oops. There we go. Got to go backwards. Just rolled it like that. Look at that. 1 point. So I'll do that again. Okay, I just learned how to do this about an hour ago, and I've only done it a few times. So if I can pick it up, you guys can pick this up. Oops, slippery hands. Okay, so now I didn't get my angle right, so I'm going to start over. So you can just start over. It's so forgiving. Okay, and you just roll, 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 roll. There we go. And I kind of figured, I know I was doing it in the right direction when my pencil just slides right out like that and almost everything is facing in the same direction. So easy to do. All right, so here's the one that Debbie made. We can do a little assembling here. All right, so this uses the largest, the number 3, with the 3 different colors. All right, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue. Golly. My glue, I keep forgetting to put the cap on and then getting a clog. All right, there we go. Just a little bit of glue. You're gonna use that pencil again, and you're just gonna offset the piece. Oops. Oh, this one came undone. There we go. See how easy it is to fix them? And you just go like that. Make sure that connects. Boy, I'm having glue challenges today. Never have glue challenges, but waited for me to go on air. Okay, just like that. See how it's just curling up, like the more layers you get, they just kind of bunch up like that. All right, and then here's the top piece. She's already finished that one for me. And you would just put that right on there and you're done. Now, to make so you could just make a beautiful bow for the top of a gift. Debbie made an ornament, so she took 2 of these and then she glued those together. And it shows here on the instructions how they just took 2 pencils. I only have 1 with me. They took 2 pencils and you put some glue on them and do that. And that's how you glue them together. So great, so creative. As you can see, so many fun things to do. We haven't even showed you everything. We haven't even showed you how we stamp on it. We're going to save that for another video on another day. Check out our money savers on this great product. I know you're going to have so much fun with Christmas and it'll just take you through the year. So if you're watching us on YouTube, check on the description in the below, in the link below. And thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time.